years old, Ray patay, tapos nandoon yung tiyuhin. Kung sinabi kong putang, patay mo, out of outrage. In the moment of outrage, yung putang, sir, kulungin na lang natin yan, sir.
Ano nangyari doon, Mr. President? Yung incident na yun, napatay nga yung tito? Pinatay? Hindi.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Senator Risa.
Alam ko po na matatalino ang mga taga-Philippine Military Academy. Hindi po yan ang issue. Ang kinaklarify ko po ay kanina sinabi nyo na in-encourage nyo ang PNP na i-encourage yung suspect na lumaban para mapatay, para masasabing nanlaban.
Correct.
Correct.
Para
It was a very incorrect.
Correct, yes.
Very incorrect po,
Yes,
if I may say as a
it's
civilian,
not
sa professional police.
It depends on,
Mr. Chair.
ano na natin yan, ma'am. That's your view.
It's not my
Hindi
view,
ka
Mr.
dumaan,
Chair. Thank you for
hindi ka
putting it on
dumaan,
the record.
pagka-mayor, pagka-prosecutor. Ako, alam ko, dumaan ako, prosecutor, mayor, presidente, alam ko ang trabaho ko.
Yes, salamat
Totoo
tayo, Mr.
dyan.
Chair.
Hindi ka nagdala ng syudad eh. You never had the chance to solve the problem of the community.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you for putting it on the record.
Tayo magkaintindihan dyan.
Senator Estrada has the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Alam mo, pabalikin ako, sir. Gagawain ko uli yan. Dublado.
Your Honor.
Silence, please.
Osaa, silence the gallery and